The process always begins with leadership. Are you willing to make short-term sacrifices for a long-term benefit? Can you make the tough decisions? मेरा ये बंदा नाराज हो जाएगा, चला जाएगा, ऐसा कर दूंगा तो ये हो जाएगा, वैसा कर दूंगा तो वो हो जाएगा। अरे मेरी चाची की मूछें होती तो मैं उसे चाची कहते हैं, चाचा कहता। तभी सोचेंगे ना जब मूछें आ जाएंगी तो। आप पहले से क्यों परेशान हो जाते हो कि हाँ जी ये बंदा छोड़ जाएगा, ये बंदा रुक जाएगा, ये बंदा ये कर देगा, ये बंदा वो कर देगा। कोई कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा इफ यू आर द लीडर। आर यू विलिंग टू स्टैंड अगेंस्ट द टाइड? लहरों के सामने खड़े होने के लिए हिम्मत होनी चाहिए। आर यू विलिंग टू फेस द चैलेंजेस ऑफ चेंजिंग अ कल्चर? आज तक तो जो कल्चर था वो था, बट नाउ आर यू विलिंग टू चेंज इट? Committed versus involved. Don't stand aside. Leaders are involved. Commitment to involve into the process. How will you guide and train if you don't learn? If you don't learn, how you can train others? How much time will you personally invest? कंपनी के खाते में जो 8 घंटे की ड्यूटी है उसी 8 घंटे में सीखना चाहते हो या 8 घंटे के अलावा सीखना चाहते हो? You have to decide on that. Many people sense the commitment of their leaders. Mostly the team commits to the same degree. जिस तरीके की कमिटमेंट लीडर्स की होती है, टीम के हेड की होती है, उसी डिग्री पर आपकी टीम भी कमिट करती है। आई एम अवेयर। मैं आता हूं तो मेरी टीम हंस करके संडे लगाने आ जाती है, मैं नहीं आता हूं तो मेरी टीम रो रो करके संडे लगाने आ जाती है। आउटपुट नॉट इवन 50% इफ दे आर नॉट विलिंग टू कम। इफ आई एम देयर, दे आर देयर। सो स्टैंड विथ योर टीम। यू कैनॉट एक्सपेक्ट कि आप घर पे आराम कर रहे हैं और आपकी टीम जो है यहाँ पे काम कर रही है और इसके बाद भी जो है आपकी टीम आपके साथ खड़ी रहेगी। सॉरी, नहीं रहेगी। इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ लीडर्स राइजेस द डिग्री ऑफ डेडिकेशन एंड डिवोशन, हेंस लीड्स टू सक्सेस। Focus on the desired outcome, not just the roles and responsibilities of the position. Supporting systems, policies and procedures, motivating the team and keeping the morale high of the team members, continuously improving and achieving results, supporting and developing the people, leading the people in the process of change. People. What are people? It is better to train the people without fear that they will leave. Think what will happen if untrained people stay in your company. आप किसी को शिक्षा दे देंगे जो सारी जिंदगी जहां भी जाएगा वो यही बोलेगा कि हाँ जी मेरे को इन्होंने सिखाया था। आप किसी को भी शिक्षा नहीं देंगे जो आपकी टीम जो है वो डेली के डेली जो है क्वालिटी रिजेक्शंस या सही सामान ना बनना जो है आपको हमेशा घाटे में ही जो है रिजल्ट देते रहेंगे। तो इट इज ऑलवेज बेटर टू ट्रेन द पीपल विदाउट फियर दैट दे आर गोइंग टू लीव। इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ पीपल एट एम्ब्रॉस, वी बिल्ड रिलेशनशिप्स, लेट अस बिल्ड इट, प्रोफेशनल एंड पर्सनल। Companies are frugal on manufacturing costs but lavish on people costs, development, reward, incentives, training, entertainments and benefits. Yes, we are heading towards it. Till date, I don't know what was there. But from today, I am trying these things to be in the system. Thinking is a critical ability and it's expected from everyone. क्यों नहीं? पीएन भी सोच सकता है कि जो कौन सी चीज़ कहाँ होनी चाहिए, कौन सी चीज़ कहाँ रखनी चाहिए। वो अपने लेवल पे सोचेगा, आप अपने लेवल पे सोचिए। जिस दिन आप अपने लेवल पे सोचना शुरू कर देंगे उस दिन जो है आपका जो है ग्रोथ स्टार्ट हो जाएगी। We give due importance to the achievers. आगे चल करके इसको डिस्कस करेंगे जो इसी सेशन के अंदर। परफॉर्मेंस आर रिवॉर्डेड एंड लूजर्स आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड इन द कंपनी। दिस इज अ क्लियर इंडिकेटर टू एवरीवन दैट परफॉर्मेंस विल बी रिवॉर्डेड एंड लूजर्स आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड इन द कंपनी। Motivating, developing and training the people is the importance of HRM and HRD. We are doing this. Evaluation, yearly appraisal of employees, we are getting it streamlined, getting the best manpower for the company, solving grievances at priority of employees, retaining the best talents in the company. Timely release of salaries and expenses, we are heading towards it. Rewards and recognition programs, maximizing the return on human investment, implementation of the latest best trends and practices, rules and regulations related to human resource in the interest of both the company and the employees. The following issues are taken care by HODs and HRs. How do you get the people to buy in? How do you convince the people who don't want to change? How do you get the people motivated? How do you get the people disciplined? How can you increase the dedication? How to retain the best talent? How to bridge the gap between the employees and the management? These are the things we are working on it and definitely we are going to succeed on it. Take care and you will never be a loser. Employees will make an extraordinary effort if you reward them richly, treat them with respect and give them the real power. The art of motivation is about an unblinking focus on the people on the front line of the business. Our culture is a living thing. It will never die because we will never let it die ever. Make the work meaningful. People want to know what matters. People expect to have meaning in their work. Let's face it, the task can be routine. There is a high priority on learning, training and development. People like to feel a sense of accomplishment. Every achievement, either or small, big, must be rewarded. The key motivation: know the people moving towards positive influence. Implementation of all our statutory norms. Yes, we are doing it. Canteen food, we have given it. Safety of employees, we are looking in it. GPA policy, we are into that. Other benefits, LTA, medical claim policy, children education, conveyance, etc. We are going to get it. Clear slab and gradation systems, probation, designation and increment policy systems, timely increments, timely payments of salaries and dues, clear career plan for employees. We are creating it. No discrimination based on sex, paper incentive and reward policy, proper incentive and reward policy, career path, long-term service benefits, training and development programs, entertainment recreation programs for employees with his family, pantry, cafeteria and canteen facility, reward, recognition and promotions to the performers. Money is not the only motivator. Lot of things give the motivation apart from the financial terms. Clarify expectations. We are going to have three type of people in the company. One are the star performers. They are going to be rewarded richly. Second is the good performers, and third people are those categories who are up to the expectation. Average can improve, but no one can be below expectation. Not at all accepted. Helping people developing the capabilities. Identify interested people, know people what do they like and what they want. Find what is aligned with the needs of the organization. Specify your interest and needs. Identify obstacles and need for change. Provide support, provide guidance, achieve mutual objectives. If they win, you win. If you win, the management wins. This is the people bell curve. We started in something 1987 to 1990s. Wave. These are the people जो कि लहरों के साथ चलते हैं, लहरों को पीछे छोड़ करके चलते हैं. 5% out of the 100. Was, they are the people, those who were in the same capacity and they will be retained in the same capacity. Cave, these are the 5% people जो कि अपने आप को कुएं का मेढक बना लेते हैं. हम 95% के साथ जो आज की डेट में हैं और जो लहरों के साथ चलने की तमन्ना रखते हैं, हम उनके साथ कतई नहीं है जिन्होंने अपने आप को गुफा में या कुएं में बंद कर लिया है. So we are going to spend time on the people, those who are in the wave category and those who are in the was category. The people curve, you need to find the 5% of the population from the was